Good afternoon, garden friends. Today's video is going to be a little bit different for two reasons. One, I am celebrating my 8 months with my YouTube channel and also 37 years of marriage to my husband, Kevin. When I took this journey, I did not know what to expect, but I knew it was something that I loved. And to be able to meet new gardeners, make and build relationships has been such a joy to me with my garden channel. Now, the reason why I'm combining this is because, like I said, on August 22nd of this year, it makes 8 months, but August 22nd of 1986, Kevin and I got married. Because of our partnership, we are a complement to each other. I am the visionary, the designer. He is the executioner. And because of his ability to be able to create the things that I have envisioned for design, whether it was the gazebo, whether it was my garden shed, whether it was my deck, he was able to make it come to fruition for everything that I had dreamed for it to be. With my YouTube channel, as I stated, and made friendships, have given individuals the opportunity to showcase their garden, to showcase how they are impacting their community through their good works. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to share this joyous day with you all. Now, what I've done is I have put a collage together of the different videos that I have done over the 8-month period of time. And it's just snippets, but if you want to see the full videos, I am going to attach the link in the description. So I just once again want to thank you all for taking this journey with me, but I also wanted to share with you this very happy occasion. So once again, thank you for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner, and I hope you enjoy this.
caught the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and the stars were the gifts you gave to the dark and the end of the skies. And the first time ever I kissed you, I felt the earth move in my hand.
Thank you for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner and taking this journey with me. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you liked, please consider subscribing and sharing. Thanks again.